Hello everyone, my name is Nundi Juntai. Today I am from class 3A1. Today I will tell you a story about the ugly duckling. It's very interesting. The ugly duckling. Mother duckling, mother duck lived on a farm. She had 5 eggs and one big egg. One day, 5 eggs started to crack. Tap, tap, tap. 5 pretty yellow baby duck came out. When the big egg started to crack, bang, bang, bang. One big ugly duckling came out. That's strange, says the mommy duck. Says the mommy duck. Says the mommy duck. Then one day, his brother and his sister don't want to play with him. Go away, says his brother and sister. You are ugly. The ugly duckling was sad. Then he went to find a new friend. Go away, says pig. Go away, says sheep. Go away, says a cow. Go away, says a horse. The ugly duckling was very sad, but he started to feeling cold. It started to snow. The ugly duckling found an empty bar and lived in there. When spring comes, the ugly duckling leaves the barn and go back to the pond. He's very thirsty. Then he eats a bed and stands to walk in the water. Wow! He saw a beautiful white bird. Wow! He says. Who's that? It's you, says the other beautiful white bird. Me? I am an ugly duckling. No, not anymore. You are a beautiful swan now. Do you want to be my friend? Yes, he smiled. All the animals watches as to swans fell away. Friends forever. Goodbye.